for. Okay?
Not clear.
Yeah. So it is not among the 4, it's among the 8. Now, the teams were carefully chosen, very, very carefully, and we wanted people who are equal. First, we have JLo versus Vaishak. Can we have JLo and Vaishak stand up? Let's give a big round of applause. Come on. You can listen, we can listen, shout and sing. Who's for? Can I know who's for? Okay, for. Thank you, thank you. Shaking hands is no points, but anyway, thank you. Time. The time will be, first bell will be, you'll get 2 minutes to convince the audience. You'll have a warning bell at 1 minute. Second warning, which is 1 minute 30 seconds. And 2 minutes, they'll keep ringing the bell, you have to stop.
This is Thomas J. Lopez. This is Vaishak.
Okay, now let me give you their profiles. JLo is the most happening thing in our club. I'll finish the introduction, then you can start. Okay. After I'll give the signal, you start screaming. JLo, for him, body language, for him, vocal variety, for him, content, nothing. He can do it while sleeping also. In fact, when he wants to convince a taxi driver to come to the meeting for free, he uses his Toastmaster skills. And till date, I've not met anyone who can talk his mouth off. And believe me, every sentence he gives is power-packed. Let's give a round of applause to JLo! Now, the challenger is a very handsome guy. In fact, he was voted as Glad Rags Man of the Year. Sorry, Boy of the Year. He is so good looking. As soon as he joined, we had an influx of people joining our club, both men and women. Girls also, yes. Jessie knows better. And we have kept him as our club mascot because he represents good looks, charm, and the skills to challenge anyone. In fact, when I asked, wait, relax. Don't get jealous now. In fact, when I told, can you handle JLo? JLo, that Lo and J both will go. In my JLo, I've handled her so many times. I said JLo is the member, male. Oh, that also I've handled. So we have 2 people who are out to get each other's necks. They are the best of friends and now the great competitors. Are you ready with your microphones? That is your microphone. Yeah. And that is a stand. The whole thing. Yes. Can you check if your voices can be heard? Can you speak? Check. Okay, thank you. Their topic is academic excellence is necessary for a successful career. If judges want to take a note. Academic excellence is necessary for a successful career. JLo will speak for the topic, stating academic excellence is necessary for a successful career, while Vaishak will speak against the topic, no. So can we have JLo convince the audience? Give a round of applause.
Toastmasters of the day, fellow Toastmasters, distinguished guests. All of us present over here have dreams to be satisfied. You have certain goals in life. You need to sometimes be a good carpenter, a fisherman, a politician, a good speaker, or you might need to be a terrorist, or you might want to loot a bank. But you all have certain goals. To reach your goal, you always want to take the fastest way. Suppose you have an ambassador and a Ferrari. Which one will you prefer? Obvious is the ambassador. Sorry, the Ferrari. For education is the fastest way. Knowledge is power. It is power supreme. Education can be formal or it can be informal too. That just depends on your circumstances, your family background, or your financial background. But without education, you won't be able to excel in life. It gives us a broader perspective of understanding the different paths to success. Without you can refer the paper. With education, you can explore existing concepts, ideas that are fruits of others' hard work. You can solve problems. It supplements your decision-making power. We can learn to manage our time effectively and efficiently. We might come across many individuals who are successful personalities and who are uneducated, but then we can count in our fingers it might be a very few of them. They have definitely undergone many hardships. They have faced more and more difficulties in life. Their path to success has always been shaky.
Okay, time up. Thank you. Give an round of applause. Now we'll hear from his challenger who believes academic excellence is not necessary for a successful career.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, let me talk about career. It is just an individual's course or a progress through life. We can have a sporting career or a musical career, but he or she may not be a professional musician or a sportsman. For example, I can tell you, I don't think academic excellence is an essential, because I can suggest a lot of examples. For example, MIT, Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Just go to their website, check the academic link over there. You can see academic excellence is not just the criterion. They say you don't want to be excellent in academic, but the experience that you have, that's enough. Not the academic excellence that they are looking for. Second, in India, we have our famous actor Kamal Haasan. He was just 8th standard. He has just completed. He has stopped his studies at 8th standard. But now he has won the India's top 4th civilian award, that is Padma Shri. That proves it. And then another example I can give you is just from our own experience. My computer over here, we have done a competition called Technofest. And that competition, we didn't have any academic, we didn't know anything about what we're going to present on. And that actually, we have a object that we made for our IEEE competition. We put that for our Technofest, and we didn't know the complete working of it. But we just made up some stupid thing. We just made up, and we proved it to the judge that that is true, and we won.
Round of applause. You can give him. Anything else? Would you like to complete? You still have a few seconds. Okay, fine. Now is a battle of the two brains. JLo, are you ready with your first question?
Yeah. Yes, Master Vaishak Suresh Kumar, you have said that people in MIT, they say that you don't need did they say that you don't need formal education?
No, they didn't say that you don't need formal education. But what they said was that you don't want to be excellent academic. They said you just want to be a 5-pointer, or even if you're a 6-pointer, you can get.
Very good. Your first question, please ask him.
You said for having an academic excellence, like solving problems, they have already done it. You're just following it. Even who's having a 3-point in a college, they can even solve problems. What do you say about that?
How can they solve a problem?
But we call
them a 10-pointer just because they are that intelligent.
No, but
they are
see,
that
a 10-pointer may not be getting into a good office.
Yeah,
that's what. Only even if you're a 4-pointer. For example, my friend, there is a guy my senior, who was just 5-pointer. He got into a big university, a big office.
That was just by sheer
Not sheer, but there are a lot of friends who are going into that. Let's talk about that.
Who are your friends?
My friends, I'll tell you. One is Kavya. She was just.
Okay, give a round of applause. Okay, honorable audience. Okay, wait. I will tell who will ask the question. Can we have, yes, a fellow brainy ask JLo the question. JLo is the first one.
You said that you need academic excellence. What about the millions of people who are succeeding without academic excellence?
Yeah, what about
Those
him?
can be numbered. There are not millions of people. Those can be numbered.
Then
And look at the rest of people.
Einstein, he was very bad in his university. How did he get
can
discovered?
see, there is this person, there is X, there is Y. You can name them.
Einstein is
But
the biggest
others
one.
are few.
Yellow, you cut the class regularly.
Yeah.
You cut the class regularly.
I cut the class.
You don't attend the
But
class
just
regularly.
because I go to class, I cut it. Just because I go to
Cut the class regularly. And you are going to be successful.
Okay, thank you. That was checkmate. Can we have anyone ask Vaishak a question? He believes academic. Yes, Suresh, please.
Vaishak, if you believe academics is not required, why don't you keep the college, give some
I
finance?
said academic excellence. He said academic excellence.
Whoa.
Academic excellence. See, I'm a 6-pointer, but even now I can get to good universities. I start applying for it. I'm just a 6-pointer. But for example, this guy is an 8-pointer.
Okay, thank you very much. Give them a round of applause, guys. Fantastic. Very good. Thank you. Now you can shake hands. Oh my God. Oh, God. You get one chocolate for the brotherly hug. Huh? All right, judges, would you like to take some